Okay, now that we're ready to get started with the calculus material, once you log into Canvas, you're going to want to go to the modules. And here in the modules is where we're going to find our work. You'll have completed the first day assignments, gone through all the materials, the textbook, all the important information, the formulas we need. You'll have all that done. And then you'll go ahead and get started on the unit. And so each unit, how you're going to learn in this class, is the main way would be to use the guided lecture notes. And so here's what it looks like. And so you either can print them out or put them down as a PDF and you write them on your Surface Pro or iPad or computer. And so you will see each section here will look like this, right? You'll have notes that come from the textbook. That's our free textbook that we have. And we'll take a look at that. And you will see links to videos to introduce ideas here. And then you'll have examples to complete. Now, how do you complete the examples? I'll show you that using the guided note solutions or using the textbook. So that's one way we're going to do that. You will now see is that these guided notes are aligned to our textbook. This is chapter 2.1. You will see the information you need and examples, and you'll see from the textbook, right? If you go to our online textbook and we go to chapter 2.1, a preview of calculus is what, again, you'll see this information, key formulas and stuff that you could read through and then use these. There's your examples, right? There's the examples that we have here. So you'll see it match up, estimate the slope, and then you'll see examples. Sometimes there's a few extra problems or information in the guided notes, but almost 90%, 95% you'll see everything's aligned to our textbook. And so you can see the definitions, examples, and those are the examples that are in the guided notes. So that's how you're going to do. You want to do that before getting into doing homework. You want to take your notes carefully and go through each lesson to complete examples. And so you'll see these are the Unit 2 guided notes, so that's now on 2.2. Further, you will see if you can use the textbook to do that, the videos are built in, but for each unit you will also see, we can get there it is. You will see here for each unit, I have guided note solutions also. So you will see that I've completed note sheets or guided notes, and they're completely filled in using, again, information from the textbook to do that. So that'd be another way to kind of go if you don't want to read the textbook. This would be the shortcut if you're short on time, but I do suggest reading the textbook and going through that as you do that. But each unit has solutions for the guided notes for each section. So that's what you're going to do before moving on to doing the homework. Now, here for each section, you will see there's a link to the textbook that I was showing you, a reference sheet that highlights the important formulas and definitions, theorems. And then if you need additional videos, if you click on that, what will happen is you'll have a link of more videos in case you need additional videos to kind of supplement what you've learned or you want to review in there. That's what you could use these videos in here. But remember, there's videos connected inside of the guided note sheets already, the guided lecture notes. And then you just go ahead and you get started when you're ready. When you did your work, you got started, you did all your notes, you would go ahead and get started with our assignments here. And so you'll see the questions here. Now notice I've had at the very top, if we go back to the modules, of every unit you will see I have homework help, a link to homework help. You also see that link inside of the, we can get there, right? You also see it inside of the homework assignment also. Here you'll see I have the link to homework hints if you need homework hints. There's also additional read it sometimes or videos linked to some of these problems in case you need some help with it. There's stuff kind of linked in there to do that as you work on homework through a section. And once you're done, you're done. Then you move on to lesson 2.2. You have the note sheets to use with videos connected, and then you have of course the link to the textbook, a reference sheet, more videos in case you want to review stuff after you've done your notes, and then you go ahead and get started on your homework again. And you'll see that opens up to My Open Math. You will see the questions, and again the homework hints are connected there to the top, but you have problems to enter. Now the last thing, again, I just want to show you what the homework help looks like that exists as you're working on homework. You will see it again at the very top. You have the online homework help. Each unit has that built in. You'll see the same structure: online homework help, the guided notes, the guided note solutions, and then you'll see that same format. But when you click it on homework help, it links to, you have to hit this button here on top to get you to the homework help. And then you'll see the guidance, and then you'll see, I know it's a couple of clicks, but you'll get there. You can click on any of these, and then I've kind of pulled out all the homework problems, linked videos in case you needed those videos, those review videos and you'll see I've either given you some hints or what formulas you need to solve them, or done some example problems already. So it's kind of my way of kind of going through it and anticipating where you may need some guidance. But I want you to try the problems before you look at the homework help. That will be the key thing, is that you try some of those problems there. So that's how you're going to learn in the class. And then you'll see then, of course, I've posted, once we've done that, at the end of your work and stuff, you have a written homework assignment where you post your work. So I want you to keep your online, your work you've done for your online homework organized, but I'll post a video here for you there. So that's how you learn in the class.